Today we are in the frozen beast whose name is Anchorage. The skies are blue and the temperature is low, so we are going to use this opportunity to climb on some vertical-ish waterfall ice. All right, we're approaching this little chunk of ice here, and yeah, it's looking not too steep right now. So I'm thinking we might sink axes into this. Okay, I just got just a little of the heebie-jeebies, so I think I'm going to down climb and just call that platform the top. It wasn't feeling super difficult, but this height is sort of getting in my head here. Now, a fall from even where I stand would be absolutely devastating, but the higher you go, the more and more that really starts working its way into your brain. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do a rappel and get down to the safety of the ground. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If not, hit the dislike button. Comment with any thoughts you have. Feel free to not be gentle, and subscribe if you want to see more videos that are sort of like this. Okay, obviously I was flying the drone up here. I just tried to catch it and I did not do a good job. I wound up cutting myself up quite a bit. The drone crashed in the process. Luckily it crashed right there, not toppling over the edge. So just remember, when you're playing out there in the wilderness with your drones, be extra careful. Don't be me. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day.